Hi, this is Jose Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Today I'm going to show you an apartment very close to the University of Valencia and Polytechnical University of Valencia. It's very close to the campus del Algiros, and well, this apartment is located in the Algiros neighborhood in Blasco Ibáñez Avenue. Well, here in this neighborhood you have a lot of supermarkets, stores. It's very close to the beach. You can be in the beach in 10 minutes by bus. Well, it's very well connected with the rest of the city by metro. You have the Algiros metro station just in 5 minutes walking, more or less, and also by bus. And well, this apartment is a second floor with an elevator, has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and I'm going to show you. And here we have the entrance hall, and this is the main door. And here in this hall we have this closet, 2 doors with a mirror, and that these 2 doors for the kitchen and the living room. And here is the kitchen. Here in the kitchen we have this storage space, fridge, freezer, microwaves, these cupboards with glasses, plates, more cupboards with mugs, glasses, more storage here, 2 sinks, some cabinets here, more storage here. You have the cleaning stuff, more storage, more here you have pans, gas stove, electrical oven, the washing machine, and the natural gas water heating system. And this is the window with exterior views. Here you have a table with 2 chairs, and here on my right we have the living room. And here in the living you have a table, 6 chairs, here a furniture with cups, some storage there, a coffee table, a 3-people sofa, an armchair, air conditioning, a window with exterior views. There is the Blasco Ibáñez Avenue, and behind that building it's the campus del Algiros. And here is a balcony with the clothesline, a rack for dry your clothes, and views to a park. So crossing the living room, we arrive to this hall with the bathroom and the bedrooms. Here is the bathroom. In the bathroom we have a sink, mirror, some storage here, a toilet, bidet, a shower, here on my left we have the bedroom number 1. And in this bedroom we have a single bed, this furniture around the bed with a lot of storage space, some shelves, more, and a desk, a chair, and a window with exterior views to the park. Next door on my left is the bedroom number 2. In this bedroom you have a single bed, a chest of drawers, some shelves there, bedside table, a desk, more shelving. Here is the wardrobe with a mirror and 2 drawers there, and a window with exterior views. And this is the last bedroom. This is the bigger one, where we have a double bed, a 3-door wardrobe, two bedside tables, and a lot of drawers here in this chest of drawers. And here in this bedroom has a window with exterior views. So that was all. Hope you enjoyed. Was José Manuel Díaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.